Hi, good everyone. Today we'll be looking at a widget called Stack Widgets. A really cool widget. And for a beginner, I did not really know about it. I saw some really nice, cool app designs that had it where there'll be, let's say, full white screen, and then on top of that white screen, there's this nice half container at the bottom. Something. It looked really cool. I didn't get how to do it for a long time, and tutorials at the time didn't have that particular video. So I had to manage the old fashioned way. Right, so I'm gonna make it really simple. To make it simple and we'll do something really cool with it just in a few moments. Right, so we'll use a column, sorry, rather we use a stack with it. Basically accepts children just like a row and a column. Yes. Column basically one after the other. My stack widget on the other hand just bases itself the next widget on the next one. Basically is on top of each other, meaning stack. Alright, so let's just do something. We have children, which is a list of widgets. We have a column, we have a container. I don't know what's up with my column today. Uh, use the, let's use the column dot gray, right, save. Okay. Oh, you know, let's not do that. Let's use that. Okay. Then we get ourselves another one. This one will be yellow. Okay, so now it looks like I said, I'm going to start, right? So one has covered. So let's give this particular container here at 300. Now it's on top, right? So half of it that's been given up here. Alright, so if you take it off, it's just going to cover the same amount of space that the first column, the first container would take. Alright, so now we wouldn't want it up here. Let's do something really nice and cool. It has a particular alignment. Right? Alignment dot bottom center. Now it's down here. Let's design this particular container. Give it a box, a decoration, box decoration. And for the color, we have an error if we do not carry this particular color and put it here. So if we're using VS Code, you could just highlight it and then drag and drop here. Okay, we save, just save this in a problem. There's no problem. Alright, so let's design this particular one. Let's give it a border radius. Right, border radius only. Alright, let's use symmetry. Pretty sure I saw symmetry earlier. Okay. Only. That's it only. Alright, so top left, let's give it 20. I think it takes in radius, okay. 20. Alright, so let's copy this. Come on. Top right. Paste it again. Save. On saving, we notice there's something here. Okay. Let's make it 25. Say, let's change this top one to just white. That's not gonna fall. Alright, so we could make this have a text child color. Let's see what happens if we use this as well. right, have a center, child, have text saying hello. Okay, that's for this. I don't want it in this first one. I want it to be on top here. And here it is. Now, this is the center of this column. This column goes from top to bottom, right? All right, so we could reduce this, make it 200. All right. So that's how to use the stack. I mean, it's not really beautified yet, but what I plan on doing is this very week, I'll make a tutorial. Plus, this weekend we had a tutorial on the login. So I'll make a tutorial on the sign up, and then when we navigate, or rather, I think I just had a better idea. Sorry, we will have we modified the login screen to have this where we would have the login credentials here, and then up here we have some really cool tags, and then while we do that, when we're done doing that, we do a sign up, and then we navigate to the home page, and then every single widget we're going to cover this week, we will implement every single one of them in the app. Okay, so that's we know what we are doing. Let's make this red. Right. Okay. Last time I made this particular love app, and I used an image up here. Down here was like a sign up text field and all that kind of stuff. It looked really, really nice, and I would like to do something of the sort here. But for now, that'll be all. That's how to use the text stack widgets. We can do almost anything with it. You want to put your text fields here, your login, everything really. The stars is really just your starting point, honestly. But that's all. Okay. See you tomorrow.